Hi there, Gary Buchanan from downtown Billings. What a week, mostly dominated, especially early in the week, by Washington and the fiasco back there. But for the week, pretty impressive numbers for the stock market. The Dow up just under 1%, and the S&P, which is the broader market, the real market, was up over 2%. After the Washington problems somewhat fixed, at least temporarily fixed, the market started to focus on earnings. And it was a pretty good week for earnings. Johnson & Johnson, Google, FedEx, which is always kind of a factoring of the economy. Citicorp was really one of the few companies that had a bad week. Interestingly enough, what this has done, and this really pretty bad news in terms of Washington, taking, they think, at least 1% out of the gross domestic product for the remainder of the year, but it lowered interest rates for a different kind of reason. The expectation now is that the Fed will not taper, will not start their slowing down their stimulative policies. So the 10-year Treasury is at an 18-week low, down to 260. A little bit of a silver lining, that brings mortgage interest rates down to an 18-week low too. So a chance here for maybe perhaps others to refinance. Next week, a lot of delayed national government reports. The critical unemployment report, which is usually the first Friday of the month, will be on Tuesday, and that will report unemployment numbers for September. What's really going to be interesting is to see how the problems of the last few weeks impact the October numbers. So next week we get back to real numbers from a government that's working. Have a great weekend.